sa green.
Yeah. Oh. Number 7, moving the ball. Perfect. Moving the ball. Pinasa ka number 7, tumira ng 3 points.
Second
minutes and 15 seconds. 1 minute 15. Number 13. Number 13. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds countdown. 10. Number 13, pinasa kay Rex. Outside. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Last 14 seconds, Chata. 10, 9. Kita. Number 11. Pushing foul. Save ball. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Number 11. Nasa kaya ng 21. Oh! Travelers. Dalawa sila eh, travelers. Travelers. Pag yan lang, traveling. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Up, foul. Number 10. Ano? Foul. Ay, nasa labas ka, foul ka. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Basket by number 11. Boom. 7 goals. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Up. Foul. Who's the grip? Number 14. 30 foul. Una pa lang sir. 30 na. Kalawin niya ni Buyog ang ginawa niya first game. Nag-score ng 3 points sa isang quarter. Basket. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute 40. Up. Number 17. Nasa number 14. Tira. Basket. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Up. Good. Madulas. Madulas, pakita ko kayo Miss Housekeeping. Desiree. Bakit sila mag-umap? Sila mag-umapat? Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 21. Again.
Miguel ka dyan.
Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Wow, 30. Who's ball rep?
30.
Number 30. Penalty. Penalty na rin. Penalty. Penalty. Matagal. Last 34 seconds. 34 seconds. Second personal foul. 7-5.
Ito yung boss ko. Pagod na yung boss ko.
Yan, no?
PM.
Up! Unang try. Masyadong malakas. Lumabas ang bola.
Bola daw, bola.
Last try. By number 8. Up! Last 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds.
Wala.
Last 20 seconds.
Baba! Sino nga? Baba yan.
Last 17 seconds.
Diretso!
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Wala!
3, 2, 1. Bola ng mga buboy, oh. Back to the ball game.
Pinyarin mo yung kanila
Oh, number 20. Bola. Oh, nag-set. 3 seconds. Talagang 3 seconds talaga. Sakit do.
3 points ka na!
Number 31. Dribbling the ball. Last 14 seconds shot now. Up, foul!
Grabe pinyari.
Tatlong foul! Number 23.
Ay, ayaw ko sumigaw na apelyeto niya kasi pag-apelyeto siya. Sigawan ko ka sana. Para sa
Personal?
Wala.
Basket.
Kaya hindi ko siya masigawan.
Second attempt. Basket again.
Batak yan sila. Lagi sila naglalaro. Lagi sila may laro every week eh.
Last attempt.
Wala.
Basket.
Sabi niya yun.
Oh! Still by number 7. Up!
Go!
Balag!
Ayaw pasa?
Number 20. Number 7.
Hindi yan pinasa, tinapon.
Last 70 second shot now. Wow! Last 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Kaya yung PM nila.
First attempt, basket.
yung 3-pointer namin.
At pinaglaro nyo pa rin.
Oh,
Okay lang yun. Lagyan niya ng ano, matigas ka. Matigas. Caster o Caster o Paris. Lagyan niya. Cimento.
Nagdalayo ng pasa niyo.
Last 18 seconds shot na.
Malayo pasa, lapit.
Lagi sa ano, pasama sa ano. Si Aglo, kasi Aglo. Last 18 seconds shot na. Last 15 seconds shot na.
sorry naman. Nakatingin ako doon.
Last 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Wow!
Hindi na gumalaw yung score namin ah.
Gagalaw na, gagalaw na.
Team foul. Marta Dem, basket.
Ilang minutes ba?
Last 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 7-9. Basket again. Last 6 minutes and 20
Di ba bumabawi tayo pag nag-change court lagi?
May ano sila, may nagdadala kasi sa nakasakan.
Ito.
Dito, yun eh, tayo mo yung kanya-kanya.
Marta Dem, basket.
Yan o, nagdadala. Kung hindi si number 7 na magdadala, si yung PM nila ang nagdadala.
Datin wala eh.
Alam nila, tignan mo, pag pumasok doon, bigay sa ilalim.
Datin wala eh.
Oh, pinatay number 7.
Kaya ay kung
Oh, kaya pa rin.
bago lang nagbibigay. Kanya-kanya. Hawak mo na!
Up, Felix!
Ay, sayang.
Talaga!
Galing bumangking oh.
14 foul! Warning to
Sila sir, may coach pa yan sila.
Tsaka wala kasi dyan ng bola sa atin. Tapos may ayun tala mo. Kitang kita.
Oh, pinatay
Ako sa loob. Ako po, pesto kanina. Walang pumapakasi. Kapit!
Traveler! Last 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oy! Sabihan mo kasi sila ano? Yalis.
Baba!
Up! Blocking foul!
Busi ito.
Second team foul!
Pagkain mo ulit.
Press open kapag di ka nakashot.
Last 6 minutes. Up! Number 20, basket!
Tulungan, tulungan.
Baba!
Last 20 seconds. Shut down.
Maganda na mga pasa. Baba!
Up!
Ah, putang. Putang inang yan.
Ayun na! Break! Last 31. Basket!
May ikot pa silang bola sa kanila.
Last 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Kapit!
May parin na tayo naman.
Si Ariega pag-asa. Ariega!
Ariega, galingan mo! Wala kang Gatorade.
Last 20 seconds shot na. Up! On the next. Same ball, same ball.
Sir Rex, ayaw bumaba.
Last
Ayaw
12
bumaba.
seconds shot na. 12 seconds shot na.
Hindi lumabas ah.
Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Up!
14.
seconds.
Support!
Nakita nyo!
Last 15 seconds shot clock. Up, up, up.
Counted.
Travelers. Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Last 4 minutes. Up. Last 17 seconds shot clock.
Samantalay nyo habang hindi sila sa doon.
Up. Bakit? Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Nasa number 17. Last 10 seconds shot na. 8, 7, 6, 5.
Baba!
Walang nakaabang.
Number 11. Matanggal ang accessories. Matanggal ang mga bodyguard. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Last 15 second shot clock.
Ay, shit. Hindi kasi pinapasok.
Nakatayo lang sila lahat.
Last 15 second shot clock. Last 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Target by number 30.
Nasa loob kayo lahat.
Up.
30.
Wow, number 30.
Lahat sila, wala naman. Hindi naman sila nagana.
Last 17 second shot clock. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Market. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Oy, sakto. Basket by number 14. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 17. Wow. 30. Penalty, penalty, penalty. Penalty. Penalty, penalty, penalty. Penalty, penalty, penalty. Penalty na lang, penalty na lang. Penalty. Number 30. Third personal foul. Third personal foul by number 30. Penalty. First attempt, basket by number 17.
Si Bunso na lang sa
Basket again. That's 1 minute and 20 seconds. Last 15 second shot now. Last 10 second shot now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 2 second shot now. 2 second shot now. Last 2 second shot now. 1. Shot clock violation.
Violation ba? Anong second ulan? 1 na lang doon? Wala na? Shot lang ang shot.
51 seconds, last 51 seconds.
Shot clock pala yung kanina. Baba!
Last 45 seconds.
defense!
corners.
Bali sa kabila na tayo mamamaya.
Last 27 seconds.
27 pa.
Last 26. 23. Last 20 seconds.
Tira!
Last 14 seconds.
Kaya ba yan?
13, 12, 11, 10,
Defense!
9. Last 9 seconds.
Huwag yun na patalain!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second.
Pasama sa ito. Basa.
Bola, bola!
Select mo na ako sinusunod sa kanila.
Ha?
Select mo na ako sinusunod sa kanila.
Dito ka, okay?
Third quarter. Last 15 seconds ata. Last 12 seconds ata. 12 seconds ata.
Pasuyo.
Ikaw, select ko lang kung kano. Decide.
Basket.
Last 10 seconds tempo. Galit.
Last 15 seconds ata.
Sundan mo lang yung bola ko na sa
Number 17.
Ganun mo lang to.
First yung time. First team.
Sunod-sunod?
Ball shot.
O yung ano, next 5 ah?
Ball shot.
Kalamangan mga kaibigan.
Next 5 kasama ka ano?
Pin mo na lang.
Hello, Soso.
Basket. Last 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Last 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ano ba yan, sir?
Sa PM Bantay, oh. Sa PM Bantay. Sino nakapag?
Football rep.
Reales.
Oh, Yales.
Tingnan na.
Wala na. Hindi natin yung gamit ni Sir Jojo kahapon.
Ano tayo matinig? Ito. Sabi mo rasutso. Maliit. Takbo ha. Dahil tao.
Last 7 minutes and 35 seconds.
Dapat yun nandun.
Ay! Ano po? Kasi yung mga battery.
Up! Offensive foul! By number 23. 22.
Mira, sino pa offensive foul?
Last 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sila. Sana isang gamitan lang ata yung
Bilal.
dami pa naman. Technical, Reales, technical. Technical.
Counted foul, di ba?
Counted ba? Plus counted?
Hindi naman.
Hindi mo shoot?
Technical lang.
Hindi mo na shoot ah.
Technical plus counted.
Time out daw, sir. Time out.
Time out, time out. Time out, time out, time out.
Shh, upo muna, upo. Hi, guys. Upo.
Alubat na rin yata yun, sir. Kaya may ilan. Pops, ano yun? Pops, meron na naman. Dakan. Yalis.
Atras ka konti, ano?
Ayan, that's it.
Warning team ba?
6 na lang yan. Diyos ko.
Bialis.
Stay na eh.
Times 2 na
Saan din ba, sir? Parang hindi.
Times 2 na.
Low.
Saan din?
Jimmy.
Good yan, good.
Good.
Okay, konti na lang. Konti na lang.
Nice. Yalis.
Sige. Sub daw, sub.
Sab. Sige.
Mag-isip po nila, balik na kami.
Up. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Sub. Pagod.
Substitution.
Last 15 seconds
May
yata.
available ba?
15 seconds yata. Basket. Number 17. Basket.
Nabilin. Likod. Balik.
Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Up. Travelers.
Ha?
Last 3 minutes.
Sub, sir, ah.
3 minutes.
Next sub.
Last 3 minutes. Substitution rep.
Sub.
Substitution rep.
Meron pa?
Substitution.
Sunod mo yung iba. Hindi pa naglaro.
Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Last 30 seconds on top. Basket.
Pasa!
Yung kulang sa atin, tingin sa ilalim eh.
Sino? Hindi pa naglaro.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Ano mo yung ano?
Basket. Penalty din.
Tingnan nyo namin yung ilalim ng tao, meron. Screen na nyo. Wala mag-screen. Tira 3.
Number 15. 5 seconds. 1 minute 25. Last 17 seconds. Shot clock.
Pasok. Pasok.
17 seconds. Shot clock. Foul! Last bracket!
Guys, kunti na lang.
Monstro! No good. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Jump ball. Shell ball, shell.
Paano ka, ano?
Shell ball, shell.
Sino sunod? Pasok na lang sila.
Last 47 seconds. Last 42 seconds.
Asa, pre?
Tingin sa baba, tingin sa baba. Yan.
Last 35 seconds. Up. Outside. Last 31 seconds. 31.
Tingin lang kayo lagi sa baba, may tao.
Last 31 seconds.
Basa. Bola.
Last 31 seconds.
Ah, ano sa mo? 8:32.
8:30.
Pasok.
Up. Bakit Mandigan?
Konti na lang, guys.
Last 20 seconds.
Ayun, tingin lang yan.
Last 15 seconds. Last 10.
Nabiling.
Robert. 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
Pasa-pasa lang, pre.
Tingin sa baba, tingin sa baba.
7, 6, 5,
Pre, shot!
3, 2, 1.
Ay!
End of the third quarter.
Wala pa yan!
Wala na mga bubuyo.
Tingin sa ilalim. Ayun o,
Last
libre
and
o.
final quarter.
Galaw.
Last 15 seconds.
Ilalim. Foul.
Up.
Grabe ka, Miguel. Grabe si Miguel.
Wow. Injury time out.
Seryosohin na nila ka mo.
Last 15 seconds.
Baba. One guard, dati. Lapitan nyo, lapitan nyo. Atake.
Ay, puta.
Pinasusunod.
Defense!
Diretso na, diretso.
Foul. Last basket. Time out, Red.
Counted.
Nakapala siya.
Pangalawa na sumikat dyan. Pag ano.
Kaya eh, kaya. Ay, huwag na siya sa labas. Drive, huwag na. Huwag lang. Isa lang naman yung malaki nila eh.
Bonus shot. Basket.
Harap. 10 na lang yan. Harap.
Sino yan? Last 15 seconds shot clock.
Challenge sa rasin nyo.
Last 12,
Rasin nyo.
7, 10, 9, 8,
Wala.
7.
Haras lang, haras lang.
Last 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Baba, 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 baba.
Time out, time out, time out.
Time out.
Hindi. Okay. Back in the number 3. Break.
Baba na, baba, baba.
Last 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Play ball. Last 19 seconds. 19 seconds at last.
Nice. Yan, dahil lang. Baba. Baba.
Last 20 seconds at last.
Nice.
Same ball.
Sir, sir.
Sam, on your left out.
Uy, boy.
Sab.
Boy.
Sap na eh.
Ay! Galaw ng galaw. Gumagalaw yan naman sa inyo.
Last 7 minutes and 21 seconds. 13 seconds shot clock. Basket. Last 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Screenan nyo kasi. Wala na naman.
O, tatlo na kayo dyan. Tatlo na kayo.
Last 16 seconds shot clock.
Wala kasing may screen.
Last 13 seconds shot clock. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Traveling.
Travelers.
Screenan nyo kasi bababa. Screenan nyo.
Passing, labas out.
Sir, sa kami ha.
Stop. Pasok.
Pwede ako, sir. Pwede ako. Stop it! Oh, screen. Baba.
Last 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Ayan o, ganyan lang o.
Basket.
Harap! Kalaban! 12 lang yan, 12 lang o.
Last 18 seconds shot clock.
Oh, depensa!
Last 12 seconds shot clock. 10, 9. Good work, 15. Block rebound. 14 seconds shot clock. 14.
Sab. Wait lang.
Last 12 seconds shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Last 40 seconds shot clock.
Defense!
Last 14 seconds shot clock again. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Sab.
Huwag ka lumalay.
Alas ka dyan. Gilid ka.
Stop. Last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Save on. Basket by number 7. Last 5 minutes. Last 15 seconds shot clock. 12. Wow, some rims up. Pasok.
yan. Kunin mo ba yung rating?
Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 4 minutes 30.
Ah, shit, lumabas.
Number...
Push ball, Rick.
Oh, yan eh.
Warning si Reales ha.
Royales. 1 minute. Waiting. Substitution. Substitution.
Graduate ha.
Last 4 minutes and 13 seconds. 1-3. Last 4 minutes and 1-3 seconds.
Pre.
No.
Sub, sir, ah.
Stop, Rick.
Wait lang. Tapusin nyo muna. Yung free throw.
Hindi naka-update yung score yun.
Base.
Sub.
Last 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Royales for 3. Bam! 1, 2, 3. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
17.
17.
Last 17 seconds. Shot clock.
Defense!
30. 12. Basket. Number 7.
Up. Outside.
Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Go.
Lucky.
Illegal pick by number 7. Illegal pick. Bola naman ubuyon. Time out, Rep. Time out. Susi, kanino susi yan?
Pasok na ako sa center. Ilan yan? 50? 55. 55. 55.
Sino naman wala ng susi niyan? Susi na mo. Susi na motor.
Defense lang, defense. Pasok to. Sumikad.
Back to the ball game. Last 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Bola naman bubuyo.
Pasok ka pag lumabas ng 17.
Bubuyo ball.
Yales! Yel! Sub next, Sarah.
Last 3 minutes.
Sub, sir, sub.
Sabre ba?
Pasok ka na. 17, sunod. 17.
Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Up. Okay. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Sub.
Last 17 seconds shot clock. Last 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
8, 7, 6.
Sab.
Kaya pasok na ako.
Pasok. 17. Narka. Sino pa?
Wala na. Bye!
Narka, si Narka. Tawagin mo.
No good. That's 1 minute and 51 seconds. 1 minute and 51.
Pasok niya si Pito. Para pag-pito ng 3 points.
Oh, kanya ulit. Bakit? Binawi.
Wak!
That's 1 minute and 45 seconds. Good. Bakit? That's 1 minute and 38. 1 minute and 38 seconds.
Defense.
That's 18 seconds shot lang. Oh, wow! Penalty! That's 1 minute and 28 seconds. 1 minute 28.
15 yan. Dalawa 15 dito.
Wala ka muna. Graduate na ba ito?
Wala pa naman. Wala pa. O hindi naglalaro yung kasi. Siyempre, tantoy ba yan? Yan, tantoy yan. Punyeta.
Second attempt, no good. Oh! That's 1 minute and 25 seconds. That's 18 seconds shot lang. That's 40, 30, 12.
Ito yan na.
That's 1 minute and 5 seconds. 20 seconds shot lang.
Defense.
17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. That's 48 seconds. 48 seconds. That's 45 seconds. That's 40 seconds. 40 seconds shot lang. 11. Last 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Wow, blast the basket.
Ball shot. Counted.
Last 26 seconds. Last 26 seconds. 26. Basket. Last 25 seconds.
Defense, play.
19.
Pasa.
17, 16, 15, 14. That's 12 seconds. That's 11, 10, 9, foul. Penalty. That's 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Dalawang 3 points lang yan, no?
Shooter pinapaul, bad shooter.
Masok.
Shooter ang pinapaul yun eh.
Second attempt. 1 hand. No hand. 7,
Pasa.
5, 4, 3,
Ay, puta.
2, 1.